and welcome to the Math League YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
Hello, this is Taiki and I'm going to go over target number 4. A right triangle with area 144 has the length of one of its legs halved and the length of the other leg doubled. If the length of the hypotenuse remains the same, what is the sum of the lengths of the two legs of the original triangle? So I've drawn here the right triangle with legs of length A and B, and we can form equations using the Pythagorean theorem. So we know that the hypotenuse length is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. And we also see that the hypotenuse remains the same. So we set an equation where one of the lengths is halved. Since A and B doesn't really matter which one we do it to, so we can have A and double B. And so we get this equation. And then we can square both sides. And then we can evaluate this to be A squared over 4 and then 4B squared. And then we can rearrange, subtracting b squared from both sides to get 3b squared, and then subtract a squared over 4 from 4a squared over 4 to get 3a squared over 4. Then we can divide both sides by 3. And finally, since both a and b are positive, we can take the square root of both sides without problems. We get b equals a over 2. And now we get that the area is 144. If we multiply AB divided by 2, we get 144. But here's a shorter way to do it. We can multiply both sides of this equation by b. So we get b squared equals 144 and b equals 12. This means that a equals 12 times 2 or 24. Adding these two legs length up, we get 36.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.